The sun's out, and it's a beautiful day for cricket. Who will luck favour? It's time for the toss. Heads is the call, and heads it is. The captain has elected to... The opening batsmen are ready to... The fielding is spread out, making it a bit hard for the batsmen to score. When the bowler's trying to play executioner, the umpire steps in as judge and jury. A good ball, no runs given off that one. An absolute blaster of a shot. What a whopper. That's an identified flying object. Into the stands for 6. A cracking way to get off the mark. Steps out and hammers it into the stands. It's raining 6s here. He's going around the wicket this time. Maybe this will unsettle the striker. Gracefully pulled down the leg side. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. He's shown his contempt with a ravaging shot. Lofted for 4. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Tough opposition for the batting side in this outfield. A leg spinner has come into play. A careless effort from the bowler. It's a wide. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. Swept away in a frenzy. And it's gone for a 4. A brutal sky shot that soars above the pitch into the crowd. An inventive piece of batting. What a response. Careless effort from the bowler. It's a wide. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. Every single counts. What a way to save the boundary. That was a well-timed dive. That's a mountain. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. And there goes the wicket. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. He steps out and slugs it over the covers for more runs. Couldn't have added more grace to it. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. They're making the batsmen fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. He whomps it into the air, driven high and far down the offside. 4 more runs to end the over. The crowd is literally on its feet as the final over begins. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Exquisite timing. He has lofted this reverse sweep. A brilliant stroke as the innings comes to a close. No need to... Exquisite timing so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary? Got it! That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. That's a railgun of a shot. Belted it far, high and away. Racing over the edge as this corker of a game draws to a conclusion. That's absolutely magnificent. He is on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now on and try and look for some wickets. He lets it over the off.